Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA C01 PLUS and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Display, mark Advanced and reach Wallpaper. And now select the source from which you want to select the picture. It can be one from your own photos or one from the following albums. Let me choose art. It can be, for example, this one. Then take a look how it looks on home and lock screen. And if you want to apply it on both, just tap on confirmation mark. Finally, mark if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.